My faith ascends to high risen. I've crawled as far as one can. Like many, I've grown from innocence to just a man. I come here to listen, watch heroes seek acts of revenge, not to dine on misfortunes of others. I scorn the place where time makes gods and men. My faith ascends to high risen. I've crawled as far as one can. Like many, I've grown from innocence to just a man.
Keep talking on that mic.
Oh, I do believe.
Okay, now I don't have the Shure mic is not on.
You're kidding.
That's off.
Huh.
Now the Shure mic is off. Hang on.
Oh, especially this fucking jack.
No. Oh, no. Oh.
Oops.
Okay, go bring the Shure mic down here.
We had this working.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
Check.
Okay.
Check.
That's weird.
We had it, now we don't.
Wait, no. Hang on. No, leave that up. Okay, that's working, and that is
That line right there.
that one right there. Yeah, but it's wrong because it's. Hang on. Talking to.
Check.
Okay, so that's working,
Check. I wonder why it wasn't just working.
but now go get the other mic. Here, give me that one.
I'll just tap on this.
Nothing. Do it again. Okay, we're working now.
Cool.
They're backwards. I'm gonna switch them around. So I can do. Okay, let's do another sound check.
Mama, do you think she's good enough? For me? Mother, do you think she's dangerous? To me? Mother, will it put me in the firing line? Ooh, my it just a waste of time? Mother should have run for president.
We're doing a test, everybody, and it's sounding good.
Ooh. Mother should have trusted the government. Mother, will they put me in the firing line? Ooh, Ma, is it just a waste of time?